batteries have a great future, and they are a key technology for evolving energy demands and within automotive applications. CBI plays a vital role within our industry because of the way it brings companies together through innovation and technology and enables pre-competitive research. By doing this, we and our industry partners can collaborate for a positive outcome that best serves the overall industry to strengthen our position against alternative solutions that aren't as recyclable or sustainable. Today, as East Penn produces more than 550 battery types for virtually any application, we have seen just how far the positive benefits of the lead battery product have reached, and just how important that its recyclability and propensity for reuse have shown over the best examples of a circular economy within our society.